Hello, hello, hello. I hope you are having a marvelous Monday. The week is already off to a great start. The sun is shining. I woke up to birds singing. It's going to be a great day. So, with that being said, I hope you had an amazing weekend and are ready for another week of math. Just to review, we've got our to-do sheet here. Your parents should have one with all your assignments highlighted on it soon. But just for you guys, we're on Monday right now. I already have a video up for your number sense. If you missed that, go back for it. This is what I will help you with in just a second, our story problem of the day. For your fact practice, make sure you're reviewing those multiples of 10. Make sure you pull out those number bond cards and get practicing. Remember, you do not need to fill in the open spaces. Those are there to make your brain think a little bit differently than a basic flashcard would. And then your game for the week is equivalent expressions match, meaning find the words that match the problem and then play a lot like memory. But there's a video up for that too that has a little bit more specific direction. So that being said, we are on to your story problem of the day. And if you look, we're still in the unit 1 because we're just calling this the unit. We're on day 6 of online learning. So you need to pull out the day 6 card. It should be what's next. And we're going to get to it. Let me zoom it in a little bit for you here. All right. It says 10 baseballs weigh 1,417 and 4/10 grams. How much does one baseball weigh? So you guys know, step 1, go back and chunk it out. This one's a little tricky for the chunking. See if you did yours right. We have 10 baseballs weigh 1,417 and 4/10 grams. I know that's a chunk. But there's actually 2 chunks in that sentence because the fact that I have 10 baseballs is its own chunk. You guys are kind of used to the chunks just coming at the end of sentences, but sometimes they're in the middle of sentences, so make sure you got that. And then my question was, how much is one baseball? Okay? You guys are on your own for the sentences. I told you after week 1 I wouldn't be quite as helpful because you guys are not new to these. So you should know what goes in that sentence right there. I will help you with this picture though. So, you got to think about who and what we're talking about here. So, I know I am talking about baseballs. What am I concerned with? Their weight. So, we have baseballs weight. Okay? Give yourself a nice starting spot so everything stays lined up and nice. The next question is, how many lines do I need? I see there's 10 baseballs, so should I draw 10 lines? Maybe. But I'm going to draw 1 line. Do you know why? If you were saying something along the lines of 1 line for 1 total, or the fact that I'm looking at a group of baseballs, not 10 individual baseballs, that would be correct. So, now it's time to fill in what I know about this chart. I've made my bar, so now I need to adjust it. Don't forget, I'm working through this chart as we go. You have one of these in your packet, or if your parents are on Facebook, I posted a picture of the one you're used to from class on there too. So right now I'm right about here. Go back and check my chunks and put into my bar. So going back, we've got 10 baseballs. I know they weigh this much and I'm looking for 1 baseball. So what do I know? I know a total, because that's right here. I'm going to put that in. 1,417.4, and then I'm going to throw that grams on there so I don't forget. Might want to put that over here too so you know what you're doing. Okay, what else do I know? I know there are 10 baseballs that make that. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. There. And I want to know what one of them is. So, this one will be my 10th. I need to know what just this one is. So you need to look at this and think about what you've got. You know a part and a total, and you need to find the other part that makes that total. What kind of problem does that sound like to you? You work through that, and you need to put that into this. I can tell you that there's a problem a lot like this from last week if you want to go back and look. But your teachers are going to be looking for your explanation today, and that is going to include all the rest of it because your answer is going to be in there in a sentence form, so they'll know if you did your computation right too. Or you can always just send them a picture of this whole form. Alrighty, have a great day, guys.